Hey, what it do, family? HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, we back in this motherfucker, baby. Hey, man, today we in Indianapolis, Indiana. We picking up a preloaded trailer here at the yard, and we taking it down to Forest Park, Georgia, baby. On the last vlog, we picked up in Monroe, Georgia, and we took that load to Raleigh, North Carolina. As you saw in the vlog, the load shifted, forklift got stuck. We had to redo the pallet, take boxes off the pallet that was shifted, put some on another pallet, kind of like even them out to where I can, you know what I'm saying, I can start rolling with it. But man, yeah, there was some load right there, man. I know. Found some marijuana on the back of my trailer. Somebody was getting high without your boy, couldn't even knock on the door, and you know what I'm saying, ask your boy, do he want to hit it? I wasn't gonna hit it, dog. I wasn't gonna hit it, man. I'm just playing. I wasn't gonna hit it, man. I don't smoke, man. Your boy drug free, man. But anyway, we all hooked up to the trailer. Boy just got back from getting some barbecue, man. I'm finna get up in that truck, man. Get ready to eat my barbecue, man, and lay it down, man. I gotta get up tonight at like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Try to make it to Atlanta. My load is due in Atlanta 9 a.m. So I figure I'm gonna get up at like around 10. I can drop, the thing about it is I can drop it before 9 though, but I'm gonna get up like around 9. It's an 8.5 hour drive from Indianapolis. So I'm gonna get up around 9, make it out there like at least, you know what I'm saying, 4:30, you know what I'm saying, 2 hours before the appointment time or whatever, go and drop it, do my 10 hour, give me another load, baby. Give me another load, but I don't know what them folks doing. They like they cost all or something. But anyway, give me another load. We got our tandem slid already. You know we had to secure the bag too, man. We had to secure the bag, man. Got that bag secured, baby. So hey man, Indianapolis, Indiana, to Forest Park, Georgia, baby. Like I said, we getting up tonight, so we got all the paperwork and stuff done. We just ready to rock and roll, man. So see y'all tonight, man. See y'all good old folks tonight, baby. Peace.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky.
Alright guys, the time is currently 8:16. Got like 58 minutes left until our shift resets. So we about to get ready to go in here and get ready, get ourselves together, get ready to head to Atlanta, baby. HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, let's roll. Hey, matter of fact, I'm gonna see y'all at the fueling alley. When I go get some fuel, I'm gonna see y'all then. I broke my phone mount, so I gotta try to stop and get me another phone mount so I can get some road footage. Guess I'll see y'all at the fueling alley, baby. Peace. Alright guys, we pulling up at the Loves. Finna get ready to go in here and see if we can find us a phone mount. And we're gonna go across the street, gonna fill up. Alright, so I guess we're gonna go with these, y'all. It's gonna be the personal junk, and then it's gonna be the one for vlogging right there. Got two on. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, look like we all mounted up now. I like this mount better though, I ain't gonna lie. I like this mount better. I'm finna shoot over here across the street to the pilot right here. We in Whiteland, Indiana. Finna shoot over here and get some fuel, baby. We're gonna be on our way. It's kind of crazy, man. I went across the street to get a mount just to come literally across the street just to fill up. I like this fuel stop right here because it's never packed. Like, I mean, parking might be packed, but as far as like the fueling alleys, it's never, you know what I'm saying, you don't never have to wait too long over here. It's either wide open or somebody just now pulling out. Top our reefer fluid off. We're gonna top our truck diesel off. And I wanna say we good on depth. We might not need that. Time to get some fuel, baby. Feel like I ain't did this in a while. Alright, tractor, reefer, and both. We're gonna do both. I ain't gonna get no depth, nothing like that. Skip that. No cash advances, baby. Y'all know we don't do that. Alright, so we're gonna walk around and do this in-route inspection. Top that off. 10 degrees. I gotta do something with this belly, man. I've been eating too good, man. I'm getting fat, man.
Your shower is now ready. Please proceed to shower 2.
Drop it in the door.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Y'all, you about to come out that door? They gave me y'all door. They gave me y'all door. I know, right? Yeah. How long y'all been waiting? Not long?
I don't know.
Oh.
Maybe now 20 minutes.
Let me go ahead and check in real fast and see if it's another door they want me to drop this trailer in. I hate when they do that. How y'all don't know what's the driver in the door already? Alright, YouTube family, HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, and we back in this motherfucker, baby. We all checked in. We've bagged our trailer into the dock. About to drop it here in the dock, and we're gonna find us empty. And we gonna haul that, baby. See what else we got next. But once again, man, I want to appreciate everybody for tuning in to your boy. Everybody who's been enjoying the ride alongs. Everybody who's been liking, sharing, and commenting and everything like that. Like I always say, man, even if you're not subscribed, man, I still appreciate you for pulling up on your boy, man. Man, until next time, baby. Peace.